Hello, this is Rob Butler again, finally, with Jack's video number 9, Scratch Build Challenge. And today, just kind of doing an update and show you where I'm headed to here next. So I've got both of them built. Just kind of did it a little bit at a time. I didn't have much time to set up the camera and do everything, so just kind of went through and still got to paint those yet and do a little weathering on things. On the other side. And these are magnetic. See the magnet there, and another one over here, and then one there, another one there, and they just fit on there. And I made them so they only fit one way. Won't fit on this way. Just made those a little bit, kind of worked out that way. So it fits out there. Yep. So they're both made up. Got the nut bolt washer castings on those. And they do snap up together. When they're on a level surface, it actually does made up and the track does go through. It's on a little bit of an unlevel surface right now. So, I got one more thing here to put on. Not my last thing here. That's the telegraph post supports. So I'll put those back there. So what I got are some wood pieces I've already stained. I poked a few spots. There it is. Poked a few spots in here for nail holes. And stained them. What I'm going to do is just glue them. Got some Elmer's white glue. I'm just going to do that so they hang over the edge here just a little bit. There's one that's really, see the nail holes? There we go. And there's those. And then just using clothespins, I switched around and more of a duck bill. Just change them around. There we go. So now we got those on. I'll do some insulators and run some cable, telegraph cable between them. It'll look pretty good. So I'm going to do this side. Pop that off. So we lost a couple. Now when my cat's whining, there's a couple nail holes. Grab 2 more pieces of wood and be right back. Okay, guess my video didn't continue playing and I forgot to timestamp this. Friday, March 19th at 9:02 p.m. I already finished up the last 2. So now we got both bent sets ready to go. So while these dry, go ahead and start thinking about scenery and some other stuff. What we'll be working on is playing with some new things. This whole thing seems to be an experiment. So some designer sand that has some really good colors in it. Ballast light gray. Got some wig material, which I dot colored. You can color and change to whatever color you want. So make it a nice light green color. If you want to leave it kind of a dead color, mix them in between. So you get a little bit of combination there. I got just some assorted Woodland Scenics scenery stuff. Woodland scenes. So I'll be playing with all of that. And then just some other stuff that I got. Some leaves crunched up. Some concrete dust from a plant I used to work at. Metal slivers. I don't know what I'll do with those. And then just some dry green teas. I don't know what. Yeah, we'll try some of that. And some extra fine sawdust. Might sprinkle that around here and there. I did pick these up. I'm not really the tallest from Woodland Scenics. This just kind of has a pretty uniform coloring to it, so I'm not sure. May toss a few of those in there. Yeah, and then I picked up some other stuff on the beach. Living here in Portland. These are actually from the Columbia riverbed. Some really small stones. I've dried and cleaned a little bit. So we got that. And I also have some bigger stuff that I cleaned out of that. So I may play with some of that too. So that could be fun. So that's where I'm going to be now. Trying out some of that and see what else we can do. So that's it for this video, I think. And I'll make another one when I start doing scenery. Thank you, and you guys have a great time. And hope you enjoy my video series. Thank you. Bye.